Imagine a world where your phone connects directly to satellites, charges with solar energy, and even mines cryptocurrency. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, that's exactly what rumors are saying about Tesla's Pi phone. Is this just another rumor? Or could Tesla shake up the smartphone industry the same way it did with electric cars? Tesla has always been known for pushing the boundaries of technology, from electric vehicles to solar energy and space exploration. Now, they might be entering a new frontier, the smartphone market. The Tesla Pi phone, if it ever sees the light of day, could redefine what we expect from a mobile device. But how will it stand out in an already crowded market of tech giants like Apple and Samsung? The smartphone industry is one of the most competitive spaces in tech. Apple, Samsung, Google, and many others have a firm grip on the market. Breaking into this field is no small feat, and Tesla, despite its massive success in other industries, is facing plenty of skepticism. How will they convince consumers that a Tesla phone is better than the devices they already know and trust? And let's not forget, Tesla has never developed a phone before. The expectations for innovation are high, but can they meet them? Consumers will need more than just the Tesla name to make the switch from their current devices. So, what makes the Tesla Pi phone so special? While there's no official release or confirmation from Tesla, rumors are swirling about some pretty revolutionary features. First off, the Pi phone is expected to have Starlink connectivity, which would allow it to access high-speed satellite internet anywhere on Earth. An exciting possibility for those who live in remote areas or travel frequently. Another standout feature could be solar charging, leveraging Tesla's expertise in solar energy. This would mean that your phone could charge on the go, using just sunlight. How cool is that? There's also talk of the phone potentially being able to mine cryptocurrency, specifically something called Mars Coin, a digital currency rumored to be tied to Elon Musk's Mars colonization plans. This would make the Pi phone not just a smartphone, but a financial tool as well. As for the design, speculation suggests a sleek, modern look, with a 6.5-inch AMOLED display, up to 1 terabyte of storage, and a 4-camera setup capable of astrophotography, making it ideal for capturing stunning shots of the night sky. But again, these are all just rumors for now. However, even with these innovative features, the question remains, will people switch? Competing against established tech giants is one thing, but convincing users to leave the comfort of iOS or Android might be Tesla's biggest challenge yet.
Are there any left?
There may be one. Okay, it's $500, you have no choice of carrier, the battery can't hold a charge, and the reception isn't very—
Shut up and take my money!
What do you think? Would you buy the Tesla Pi phone? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're into tech innovations like this, make sure to check out my other videos where I dive into the latest trends in technology. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more exciting content.